Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Adam, and in today's video, we'll quickly cover the top 3 backup plugins for WordPress. Let's get started. Number 1. BackWPup. BackWPup is perfect for small websites that don't change often. You can easily schedule backups, even hourly. But here's the downside. Backups are stored on your hosting server, which can slow your site and take up space. And on larger sites, restore processes may sometimes fail. If you're running a small blog or a simple site, BackWPup is fine. Number 2. Updraftplus. Updraftplus is one of the most popular backup plugins. It works with Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, and even has its own paid storage called Updraftvault. You can choose exactly what to back up: themes, uploads, database, or plugins. It's reliable for medium-sized websites. Number 3. BlogVault. BlogVault is the most reliable option for larger websites. It can back up and restore even 10 gigabytes plus sites quickly, with all backups stored off-site and encrypted. It also offers incremental backups, real-time sync for WooCommerce, and one-click staging. Although it costs more, but it's the safest choice for business-critical websites. That's it for this video. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, visit buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. The link is also in the description below. You can follow us on our other platforms as well. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.